asynchronous code in JavaScript. But before this, let's know about synchronous code in JavaScript. Synchronous code execute your code line by line, just like normal JavaScript code. Let me write it, console.log task1, and I want to copy this and write task 2 and task 3. Look, when I save it, you will see that it will execute it line by line. The first task executed, the second task executed, and the third task executed. This is synchronous. And now let's know about asynchronous. Asynchronous means a program doesn't wait for a task to finish. This is called asynchronous. Look, I can't execute the second task before first task because if I run this, the task, my code executed from top to bottom. And with asynchronous, I can make it like this. I want to write set timeout after 3000 milliseconds. It should run the first task. Now let's see. If I save it, the second task and third task is executed. And after 3 seconds, the first task executed. Look, this is called asynchronous. The set timeout is a function of asynchronous in JavaScript. This is the asynchronous function, and it doesn't wait for a task to finish. Look, before 3 seconds, it execute this, and after 3 seconds, it execute the task 1. This is called asynchronous, just like ASY. And the asynchronous, we are going to know about 3 things: callback, promises, async, and await. Now let's know about callback. What does it mean, callback? I want to make it like this. After 3 seconds, when the task 1 executed, after that, the task 2 and task 3 will be executed. Let's make it. I want to make a function. I want to call this x. And inside this x, I want to bring my timeout function. Inside the parameter, I want to write callback. Callback, and after this task, I call the callback function. Okay, and I want to make another function y. Okay, inside this function, I want to paste this to task. And now I want to call my first function x, and inside the x, I want to write the parameter of my second function. Now let's see. Look, 1, 2, 3. When the first function run, the second function and third function after that will be run.